Hi, my name is Mike Brody. I go by Brody here at Sportsland. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Grand Surveyor by Forest River. This is the 267RBSS, the rear bath super slide. Got a big, nice rear bath. It's a great couples coach. Total weight on this is just under 5,800 pounds, like 5,750 pounds dry weight. You can load up to 1,500 pounds of cargo in it. Total length is 30 feet and 7 inches, so just under 31 feet. It's got a huge awning, LED lights underneath, 19-foot awning. You got the Asdel laminate siding. Nice tires with the black aluminum wheels. You can see this has the nice solid steps. These steps go up into the trailer with adjustable legs, so you can do some adjusting depending on your terrain. If we go, maybe start going towards out the back here, this trailer, you can see it's got forced air, heated underbelly. You got a nice rear cargo, bike rack. You can throw a generator on here. You can put up to 200 pounds worth of stuff on your rack, make it easy to tow some extra stuff. Got your nice ladder, supports 250 pounds, fully walk-on roof. You can see that it comes prepped with the rear backup camera, so you can see what's behind you as you're driving down the road or backing up. You got your 3-inch water spouts on all 4 corners. If we move on back over here, you got 50 amp power supply. This has one big AC on it, 15,000 BTU, but if you want to add a second AC up in the bedroom, you can. It comes prepped for that. You got all your connections back here, your city water, black tank flush. That way you can just put your water up here to clean out this toilets and the sensors and all that stuff. Cable satellite hookups. Full slide, laminate siding on all 4 corners. It comes prepped. If you want to add a Solera awning topper on that, you can. If we move back up here, you got some nice big windows, lets in a lot of light during the day. You even have windows on this side as well, on this slide out. So we got, coming up here, we got a 6-gallon water heater, DSI, direct spark ignition, your pass-through storage compartment goes all the way through. Up here, you got a 3/4 panel fiberglass, gel-coated fiberglass front cap with your rock guard diamond plate down here. This also has 2 25-gallon propane tanks. You got your nice little electric tongue jack. This one also has a battery disconnect right over here. And back here you'll see that's your relay switch for a TPMS sensor that comes standard. So that way as you're going down the highway, you can see your temperature and your pressure of your tires. If you have any leaks, it'll give you a warning. It's a good peace of mind to have. And then as we go along to the front side, our pass-through compartment right here. This is all aluminum cage construction, and these comes with a little, little drill bit, so you can do the stabilizer jacks on all 4 corners. This one also gives you a little outside camp kitchen. Comes with a standard Suburban Elite Series griddle, a little sink, and you got a little fridge. You can throw some beverages in, some condiments. And then you'll also have a nice little spray port here, so you can clean up your dishes, clean the mud off of you, your dogs, your mountain bikes. That's really nice. I think that's all we have out here. Oh, and one last thing, you got your nice speakers. The speakers are nice and loud. You got 2 speakers on the inside as well. And then, I forgot to mention, I think this also has a little under lighting as well that'll light up your steps as you're walking in to your coach. And let's get up on the inside and I'll talk to you about what we have on the inside. All right, we're up on the inside of the 267 RBSS Grand Surveyor. This one is the rear bath model, huge rear bath. Got lots of storage back here, lots of cabinets, huge cabinets, lots of room underneath your sink. Then up here, your medicine cabinet mirror. You open this up and you see you got a lot of room up here. You got some room for your toothbrushes right here. And then you got some controls here for your tanks. You got heated tanks on this, water pump, all this stuff's right over here. Nice easy light switch your kids can turn off and on. This has a real porcelain toilet, just like you have at home. So it's nice and easy to clean out your toilet. Nice big shower. It's about a 30 by 36 full fiberglass shower with a nice screen door that it's mildew resistant material, and it'll squeegee itself off as you close it, so it's easy to clean up. You got plenty of headroom in here, a little sunlight. Got a little vent fan in your bathroom as well, and nice LED lights, and your AC is ducted all the way back into the bathroom here as well. And you'll see you got a nice barn style door on the bathroom right here. If you can see, maybe. Nice big barn style, about a 36-inch wall opening here. And then right over here, as you walk in, you got a huge pantry. Nice little glass window. You open it up, you got your motion sensor lighting, plenty of room for your blankets. You'll see this does have a 30-foot cord for your central vacuum that this has. I'll show you in a minute. You got some room, a couple of coat hangers up here. I'll close that. You can see this unit has no carpet in it at all. Even in the slides, there's no carpet. Nice flush mounted slide. Couple of recliners. These are nice and comfy. It's got some room for cup holders right here. You can probably sit 3 people here. If it's just you two, you got a little pull down armrest right here with more cup holders. These things do recline. And right in front of me, you got a big TV. It's a 39-inch TV, a fireplace that does put out a little bit of heat. Very comfortable, nice and roomy. If we move back up into here, you can see the dinette over here. This is a solid surface countertop. It does go down, make a bed. And then you also got a bunch of room underneath here. If we remove the cushions, this is on a gas strut suspension type thing. It goes up nice and easy. You got plenty of room. You're not going to be on the ground crawling in. Maybe throw some extra pillows and blankets here for the people that might be using this space as an extra bedroom or bed. This unit will sleep up to 4 people. The main bedroom up here, and then you got 1 or 2 kids here. This one has your electric and gas fridge. Nice big fridge here. A little section for your freezer as well. If we move up here into the kitchen, you see your microwave, nice Furrion oven, and I like these lights here. Kind of a safety mechanism. If one of your kids accidentally puts on the gas, it's going to turn red. You can flip it off there like that. 3-burner gas stove. It'll come up, and then this one you also, new for 2023, these guys give you a little butcher block. So you can prep some food, cut up your chicken, what have you. You got a nice little space back here to put some knives in here. Maybe a spatula, whatever. Cut back here, that makes it nice. Put that back up on the wall. You got some nice storage cabinets up here, see-through glasses. There's see-through windows. Lots of storage space underneath the kitchen sink. 3 drawers over here on metal ball bearing slide outs. You got your central vacuum right here that has your 30-foot hose, so you can clean up your kids' messes or any messes you have. And if you're doing a little sweeping, it does have this vacuum. Little floor mount vacuum there, which is really nice. You got a little extra cabinet space with this right here. Do a little prep work, your bottle opener that everyone needs. This is a nice little, faucet. Got your dry rack right here, so it makes it nice when you're doing your dishes, putting your dishes right here. And let's put this back down. This down just like that. And then if we work our way up here into the bedroom, you got a nice full residential style queen size bed. It's a true 60 by 80 queen size bed. You got huge wardrobes all the way up to the ceiling, 2 drawers on each side, a lot of space up here. You can see the AC is ducted through all the way up here, and as I was mentioning earlier, you can add an AC back here if you want. It's already prepped. It's 50 amp service here on this coach. You got 110 plugs and USB ports on both sides of your bedroom if you need to hook up a CPAP or anything else. You got a little bit of cubby space up here, and I believe these will actually even pull out, so you got a little extra hidden storage down here, and there's 110 plugs down here inside. So we got lots of room in here, and then let's not forget this nice window. Not a lot of these trailers have a window up front. This is like a residential, actually like a automotive type tinted window, so got a little privacy. And then you can pull that down so the sun isn't hitting you in the face as you're waking up. And then you'll have a little bit of a TV backer in the wall, so if you want to add a TV in this bedroom, you can. You got a plug and your cable up there for it. And you'll see the heated ducts. They're not in the floor in this coach. They're kind of in the walls. And there's one in the kitchen here underneath the fridge. And these ducts also go down into the underbelly, which is a sealed underbelly with heat and 12-volt tank heaters on this. I think that's all I have to say about this unit. If you have any questions, come see us. My name's Brody here at Sportsland. Give us a call or comment down in the sections if you have any questions. Thanks.